Hey guys, it's Christy Lee, and today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite looks from one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. So if you're interested in seeing how I got these peachy, beautiful, glittery eyes, then just keep on watching. So for today's look, I decided to go with Laura Lee Los Angeles Nudie Patootie palette. It's so pretty. Pretty much has every nude color you could ever think of or want. So first things first is I will take Bear, which is this peach shade right here, and put that right above the crease. Next, I'm going to take Butt Naked right here and just place that right below the peach shade, just very barely touching the lid. Next, I'll take Nakey Nakey and very gently put that on the outer corner. Now with my finger, I'm just going to place Jaybird right on the lid, and I'm only going to use my finger. I find that I get better results whenever I use my finger. So just about like that. So now for the inner corner and the brow bone, I'm just going to place Stark. I'm going to take Bear again and buff it on the lower lash line. Ah! Now I'm going to take Butt Naked again and not smoke that out as much and a little bit closer to the lash line. Now I'll go back in with Nakey Nakey. And of course I'm using NYX Worth the Hype mascara. It's my favorite right now. Why do bad things happen to good people? Right in front of my face. And that's it for this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I had fun making this video as well. If you guys want to see more, just let me know.